Hello! So this is the second version of my Lego Tentacle. In the first version I was using these gear pieces separated by U-joints to hold the tendons so that I could move in order to manipulate the tentacle. But those weren't symmetrical holding the tendons, so I moved on to these very rarely used three-way pieces, and that worked very well, but I think we all wanted to see a claw on the end. So I replaced those Lego U-joints with some PTFE tube, and originally when I did that I was using these Lego bushings to separate the three-way pieces that hold the tendons, but I found that under compression those would become quite rigid, and then the tentacle wouldn't want to bend. So I took those out and put some springs in there to separate the tendon holders, and that worked far better. I'm using a TPU filament for a 3D printer, and that's just straight off of the roll, and that has a little bit of give to it, but not very much, so I can still get good tension on the end of the tentacle, but it allows for a little bit of flex in the other tendons so that it's a little bit more maneuverable and can really get a good bend in it. Inside the PTFE tube there's some braided cable, and so when I move that braided cable there I can move the claw on the end. And that is how I made the second version of my Lego Tentacle.